In this video, you will learn how to view the number of people that have submitted the Google form you sent to them. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. You can use Chrome, you can use Microsoft Edge. But here, let me work with Edge. Visit forms.microsoft.com. You can see the web link here, forms.microsoft.com. Once you're on this page, you will see the forms you recently created. So you know the form that you want to see people that have responded to it. And look at this one here. That's what I want to see. You can see two responses. All right, meaning that two persons have responded to this form. I send the link to them. All right, so I'll click on it. All right, it says review your responses. I'll click on got it. Okay, so that's fine. So you click on view responses, then got it. So you can see now two persons have responded and they have their different student ID. Okay, the which is this student ID and this student ID. Then their names. We have Michael Eze and we have Godwin Mike. So these are the two persons. Here is their email addresses. And the gender, the two of them are male. So you will see details about all these guys. Their response is what the response they gave by individual forms. Then if you want to see individual results, click on this. Then this is the first person. He spent 5 minutes, 34 seconds to answer this. All right. So you check if he meets the standard or the requirements you want, then you can include him on a special form you have beside you or you have open on your PC that this person has qualified. All right. So this is the first person. Then if you click here, you see the second person's information. All right. This one has the student registration number as this, and look at his name, his email address, date of birth, and every information. So when you check through this and feel he also meets the requirements for accepting him into the form or what the form is all about, then you include him on the list of people that qualify. If this video helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to use Microsoft Forms. Thank you and see you some other time.